Hello everyone. So in our previous video we talked about marker, then size marker, age color or marker face color, etc. We are done with that actually. Now in this video we are going to focus everything about line. That means line style, then line color, or you can say that line width. Okay, so line style what we have given over here is solid, or you can say dotted. We can also have a dash, or you can say that dash dot. And one more thing, that solid is the by default, means if you are not specifying, by default it will be solid. Okay, so control S. Let's check the output of this first. See, we are getting dotted. Okay, now suppose if I change to dash or something. Okay, control S F1. See, we are getting in the form of what? Dash. So likewise, from this list, you can select actually anyone. Okay. Now the next thing is line color. So we have one line in the comment section only over here. Suppose if I write color equal to R, only that much part actually enough. Color equal to R. Okay, we'll remove this part. Now, see, color equal to R means what? Red color we want. Suppose you want green color, then you can write a G. If you want blue color, then you can write B or something like that. So control S and F5. See, it is in the form of dash and we are getting what? A red color. Okay, and if you want, suppose for example, blue color, control S, F5. See, we are getting our line in the blue color. And one more thing, line width. See here, one more line is there in the comment section. Okay, so suppose one more parameter, line width equal to what? 20.5. That is obviously one value. So control S F5. See, we are getting, why we are getting like this? Because line style is still dash. Suppose if I change it to solid. Okay, control S, and we'll decrease some value of this also. Suppose 15. Okay, see, it is solid. This is nothing but the line width. So in the line, we can have this solid as a line style, or you can say that any line style you can use. Then color also you can give. Then line width also you can specify. Thank you everyone.